Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is scumbags. Okay, yesterday I went on Twitter and I saw this message. A guy discovered a fake Abracadabra website. It looks identical to the real Abracadabra website. The domain name is a tiny difference. Okay, instead of abracadabra.money, it's abracadabra.money. It's missing an A right here. And you can see it right here. You see, this is the screenshot of the website. The rest looks identical. Okay, they copied everything. It looks like the real Abracadabra website. So it's what they call a phishing website. They're trying to steal your seed phrase in this case. Okay, if they get your seed phrase, they get access to your MetaMask, they get access to your wallet, they get access to all your tokens, and they're gonna steal them in seconds. Okay, they're gone. Now, remember this, any website that asks you for your seed phrase is a scumbag website. The scumbags that designed it want to steal your money. If any website whatsoever asks you for your seed phrase, close the window and lock your MetaMask. Okay? Seriously, okay? Don't go on strange websites that ask you for seed phrases. Avoid them like the plague, okay? These are dangerous people. They want to take your money. They want to steal your hard-earned assets. Make sure that's very, very clear. Any website that asks you for a seed phrase is a crook, a scumbag, a thief. You'd never give your seed phrase to anybody dead or alive, okay? No website, no person in Discord, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, whatsoever, okay? If those people, anybody in any messaging app asks you for your seed phrase, block that person. That person's a thief and a scumbag. But they seriously, those are dangerous people that want to take your money. So you don't give that to anybody at all. That's your own secret. You don't even tell your grandma, okay? You keep that secret to yourself, alone. I know for some people keeping secrets is difficult, but this one you have to. Very seriously, this is dangerous, okay? So, I'll show you what I do to avoid doing this, okay? You don't search for websites on Google when it comes to crypto. You don't. If you do, make sure that you use a web browser that does not connect to your MetaMask. For instance, I'm using this browser right now is Brave, and I connect my MetaMask on this, okay? But I only use websites that I know and trust, okay? Either I bookmarked them already, or if I'm searching for new websites, I'm gonna go on Coingecko or Coinmarketcap. And I'm going to search either the website name or type the spell token. So if I type the spell token, I can find the website that's connected to the spell token. Spell being the governance token for Abracadabra money. And then from here, I would click this and I would get to the real, authentic, genuine Abracadabra website. Okay, this one is the real one. So if I wanted to, I could connect my wallet here. Okay? Don't use Google. If you use Google, you might end up on this thing. Okay? Those guys will try to fake that they're the real thing. So they're gonna try to trick Google into displaying you the link to this website. That's why you don't use Google. You use Coingecko or you use Coinmarketcap, because these are the real links if it's the first time you go to this website. Okay. Otherwise, and once you know you're at the right place, you bookmark it in your browser, okay, and you use that link. Or if you don't bookmark it, come back to Coinmarketcap or Coingecko. Okay, don't type it in necessarily, because you might forget an A when typing Abracadabra, and you end up at Abracadabra. Okay, better to bookmark it to use Coinmarketcap or Coingecko. Be very, very, very careful. It's your money, okay? And those guys are clever. They know the tricks, okay? And even experienced people have done this. I saw another Twitter thing. The guy's been on doing crypto for years. He understands security, but it was very late at night. He was tired and didn't think twice about typing his seed phrase. And I'm like, oh my God. And he lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. So don't do that. Just don't ever give your seed phrase out. Be aware of this, okay? It's extraordinarily dangerous. Now, don't give out your seed phrase to anybody dead or alive, okay? On Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and any other crazy messaging app that exists, okay? You just don't give it to anybody. You don't give that seed phrase to anybody. That has to be your own personal, intimate secret. Don't give it to your girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, cousin, or anything either. One day, if they really, I don't know, maybe you get into a fight and then they take everything. Who knows, right? Or you end up in a divorce. I mean, I'm not, you have to think about these things ahead, okay? Let's say you're fighting with your spouse, right? And next thing you know, you're in a divorce. And I don't know what the laws in your country are, but in some cases you're supposed to give half, right? But what if that person knows your seed phrase? Let's say your spouse knows your seed phrase, and they don't take half, they take it all. And then what do you do? Right? So, or a disgruntled employee manages to find your seed phrase somewhere. You told them, or whatever, your secretary, whatever. Anything can happen. You don't give out that seed phrase to anybody. You hide this with your life. Okay? Very important. So, short video. I just wanted you to be aware that this kind of scam does exist, and that the seed phrase has to be kept absolutely secret, and that you don't use Google to go on any website. By the way, if you see a link to some strange crypto website that you've never been to before, on again, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever, don't click the darn link. Okay? The programmers that do these things are very clever. Okay? They can find ways to empty your wallet faster than you can think. Okay. Also, don't save your seed phrase online. Like some guy lost everything because he left his seed phrase in his Google Drive for some reason, and a hacker managed to get there. And next thing he knew is that he lost it all. So Google Drive, no good. Okay? Dropbox, same thing. Don't put your seed phrase there. Okay? Keep it outside the internet. A piece of paper, put it in a safe. There are also ways to type your seed phrase on metal now. Okay? I might do a video about that later. But anyway, that seed phrase is very important, and don't go to strange links, okay, that you find anywhere. Okay, use trusted places like Coingecko and Coinmarketcap. Okay, and if the website you're looking for is not listed there, the protocol is not listed there, I would not go there unless I use a different browser than the one I use normally with MetaMask. So a browser like Safari, for instance, that does not work with MetaMask. Okay, and don't put any extension on your Safari, for instance, where that would connect to your wallet. Okay, this like in my case, I don't put any extension on Safari at all. Okay, nothing that connects to crypto whatsoever. So if I'm doing it, if I want to investigate a strange protocol, I would open up a browser like Safari that's not connected to my wallet, and I would do the investigation from there. Okay, this reduces the chances that they're gonna suck in my MetaMask because it's not connected to the MetaMask. Okay. And I know it's gonna sound like I'm an Apple fan or whatever, but the reason I actually prefer using Mac OS on my computer is because it's a bit more difficult to hack than Windows. I had a lot of issues with Windows in the past, okay, viruses and all kinds of nasty things. And after that, I decided to try Mac OS, and I've not had any viruses for the last 12 years. Okay, and no issues of being hacked and so on. It's not impossible to hack a Mac, but it's a bit more difficult. Okay, it's a bit more difficult than Windows. So it's something to think about. If you're on Windows and you love Windows, that's cool. But take precautions, make sure that, okay, you use separate browsers, okay, when you're investigating a new website that you don't know, a new crypto website that you don't know, okay? Don't use your regular browser. That's a good advice. All right, that's it for today. I hope you like this kind of stuff. So if you do, please like and subscribe, so that we can get more people to see our videos, and that would encourage me to make more videos for you guys. Ring the bell so you know when I'm posting the next video. Download the free book. The link is below. It's in the description for people that don't know where it is. It's in the description. I put the link in all descriptions of all videos, so it's easy to find. And if you don't like for free, you can go to Amazon, give $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will generously give me $1 later. See you.